Hi class, welcome to week 11. I hope you've finished all the week 10 work. If not, go back and have a look at lessons 1, 2 and 3. And my expectation is that you're actually handing those things in. So you're emailing those revision questions and those activities on the last slide, or you're taking photos of them and texting them to me or something. For the textbook questions, can you please self-mark those so that I'm not having to mark them, and then I can just concentrate on the ones that you haven't been able to find the answer to, and I can put my effort into helping you out with those rather than marking everybody's, when it's probably best if you're actually looking at those answers yourself in real time and checking your understanding as you're actually writing those things down. And can you just please make sure that you're labeling them well too, so I'm not just getting like a whole page of hieroglyphics that I then have to work out like what question it is and what lesson it relates to. So that'd be really helpful. But like, having said that, I'm just so happy to get anything sent in. So please be sending work in. Okay, so in our last lesson, we were looking at nucleosynthesis, and we were basically concentrating on the proton-proton chain and also the carbon-nitrogen-oxygen cycle. And from that, really what you should be able to do from that last lesson is you should be able to explain those things to me, and you should be able to have an understanding of how they create energy. And in addition to that, you should be able to then relate that amount of energy to basically what's being produced in the sun or in another star using Einstein's E equals mc squared equation. Now, if you're really confident with that, can you just let me know? And if you're not, then just like flick me an email or comment on the side of this slide. I'd really like everyone to comment on the sides of the slides. It gives me an idea of where you're up to and who's engaging with the work. So that's a really useful thing. And I'm asking you that for a good reason, and that's just so that I know that the class is actually engaged in what they're supposed to be doing. Okay, so today we're going to continue on, and today's a bit of a, I guess it's a loop back to nature of light, in that we're having a look at spectra. And we're going to be looking at how we classify stars. So basically, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to look at a spectral class for a star, understand how it's derived from the spectrum of that star, and you should be able to use that classification to work out the colour and the temperature of a star.